Hey everybody, I'm back out on the road again, and my travels this week have brought me to Las Vegas, Nevada. I am here at the Cosmopolitan Hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. I got upgraded. I'm staying in a junior suite with a corner wraparound back balcony. Stick around, I'll give you a tour of the room and the view. All right, we are in room 2078. Check out this room. Room 2078 also connects to 2079. As we enter the suite, you have another room or another door to the other room or the other part of the room. We have a little entry area here. We got some safety equipment, PPE. You got your hand sanitizer, a pen, and a mask. You still have to wear a mask here in Las Vegas. We have a blocked off room, a closet, the automatic light in it. And continue down the hall on the entry. You have your first bathroom. Good sized bathroom here. And it is a full bathroom with a shower. Coming out of the bathroom here, the first bathroom on the left, we have a little kitchenette kind of area. Not really much of a kitchen, but does have a sink, a little bit of storage, mirror, little wine fridge down there, and then back over here to the snacks. Everybody loves snacks. And then under the snacks you have your mini bar fridge. For those that have never seen a fridge like this, be careful. They are weighted. If you pick up the bottle here, there's a weight sensor that will automatically bill your room. And then another fridge right next to it. We have the in-room dining guide with all the prices and the QR codes for the snacks. Continuing on, little dining table kind of area here. Got the little couch, a TV. Goes into the master suite. You'll see the master suite here. Master bathroom, nice shower, a big tub. This is different than the other Cosmopolitan rooms that are similar because this has a full-size tub in it. We have the bathroom or the toilet. And then the closet here with all your robes, safe, iron, hair dryer, and all the amenities you need. There's the second bathroom, the sink. Again, great big bathroom, big tub. It has a second sink in it. All your little spa amenities or shampoo and such. And then the other opening to the master. This corner wraparound junior suite has a nice view. It actually has 3 different doors to the balcony, and this is one of them, closest to the master bed. You can see. This particular suite overlooks the boulevard pool in one corner. It's a great pool where you can relax, rent the beds, the day beds, or the cabanas if you wish. And then it overlooks the Las Vegas Strip. There's the Miracle Mile shops. Oh, one of Karen's favorite places is actually right over here. If you guys haven't been, there's a Taco Bell right there that's got margaritas in it. The only Taco Bell that I know of with margaritas. There's Planet Hollywood right above the Miracle Mile shop. Then you have Paris, the Eiffel Tower. And the entrance to the Bellagio here. The other nice thing about this suite is you get a great view of the Bellagio fountains after dark. Man, I never get tired of watching those fountains. Well, long day ended, and time to turn in. So I'll give you one last little tour of the balcony on my way to bed. Check it out. So obviously we have the Bellagio, the fountains we just saw. There's the Bellagio sign. And then of course we have the Paris and the Eiffel Tower all lit up pretty. I know my son Carter loves the Eiffel Tower. And then in the background and behind the link you can see, in the background behind the Eiffel Tower, you can see the Link Ferris wheel, the little kind of bluish green color. So this is how the strip looks at night, folks. And the pool's all put to bed. And there's the Aria next door. Everybody, thanks again for watching the video. I sure hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you do, please smash that like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to make sure you get alerted whenever we post new videos. Again, thank you again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.